In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve Obsidian Mobile. We'll walk through a quick tune-up of the app's built-in settings so your notes are easier to read, faster to access, and more consistent day to day. Start by opening Obsidian Mobile on your device. If you haven't launched it in a while, give it a second to load your vault and finish any sync activity. That way changes you make apply to the latest files. Now, look to the top left and tap the small box icon. This opens the main sidebar where you can quickly switch vaults and see high-level navigation. It's a good habit to know this menu well because most customization starts here. At the bottom of that panel, tap the gear icon to open settings. This is the control center for how the app looks and behaves. There's a search bar up top if you ever need to jump straight to a setting. Open General. Here you'll find foundational options that shape your everyday use, like default locations for new notes and how the app behaves on startup. Choose settings that match your workflow so you spend less time tapping around and more time writing. Next, head into Appearance. This is where visual comfort pays off. Pick a theme that's easy on your eyes, set light or dark mode, and adjust interface and text size so buttons are within thumb reach and body text is readable on the go. Small tweaks here reduce fatigue and make long sessions far more pleasant. Then go to Core Plugins and select Daily Notes. Here you can fine-tune its options. Choose a clear date format so entries sort logically. Set a default folder to keep dailies together. And if you already use a template file, point the plugin to it for consistent headings and prompts. With these adjustments in General, Appearance, and Daily Notes, Obsidian Mobile becomes cleaner, quicker, and more reliable without adding extra complexity.